Welcome to Amvets Park. In 2015, the city of Sandusky promised that around $50,000 would go towards fixing up this and the adjacent Sprau Park. Many of the repairs were to be made by May 30th when the season starts, which is only 10 days from now. Some of those repairs included adding new dirt to all 4 baseball fields, replacing any burnout lights, installing new bases at each field, and removing the old rotting wood dugouts, replacing them with fencing so children can be seen from all angles. Currently, the dugouts are falling apart, propped up with boards to keep them from falling over. A child could easily be attacked in these current dugouts, and nobody would see it happening because the area is not visible from the street. The bleachers are overgrown with weeds, benches are barely suitable for sitting, and even electric extension cords can be seen dangling from the rusted, twisted fences. The question is why? Is our kids' safety not top priority? In the words of the city, they cannot afford a professional ground crew, yet Washington Park stays professionally taken care of all year long. Shouldn't those repairs take a top priority? Our children are our future. They deserve a safe place to play. This is unacceptable. If you feel the same, please share this video to spread awareness of what our city has allowed our ballparks to become. It's time the city follows through on its promises.